Hello everybody. Yeah, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the front brake pad on 2016 Nissan Pathfinder. Okay, let's get started, guys. Okay, remove the tire. You need to remove the tire, and this one very quick job, very simple job. Okay, just one lock nut to hold the brake rotor. We don't want the rotor flare around. And I use number 17mm. You unscrew it. Okay, this number 17 is out. Just pull the brake caliper and use this tool here for pull the pistons in. Caliper tools, one. Okay, set, and then we pull the brake pads out. And make sure the slider working properly. Okay, the slider we need to put some brake slider loop. Okay, it's a new pad. I use a ceramic one. See it? The point, the pin here is put on top. Make sure it loose, a little bit loose, not too much loose, just make sure it loose. Not too tight, not too loose, but in the one a little bit hard to see. Let me pull that way, you can see it. It's not that hard to do it, but it's a little bit hard to see it. Okay, see it in. It's in now. Make sure it's a little bit loose. Okay, looks good. The brake pad you install it cannot be stuck. Okay, has to be a little bit loose, but not too loose. Okay, it's good enough. It's good enough. And I'm gonna find the grease to put a slider. Yeah, the caliper grease or lube it, you can buy at all the part or dealer. Okay, so just put a little bit. There you go. Don't put regular grease. Okay, you put regular grease, you have problem. Don't put it, never put. Just one is special for the slider. Just install the brake caliper back. And the bolt number 17. Okay, that ties up. Yeah, it's done for one side. Let me move to the other side. Okay, this one is on. I do on the passenger side now. Then I'm gonna go to the driver side. This one is on the driver's side. Okay, make sure you put one rear nut, okay, hold the brake rotor in place. We don't want the rotor play while we do the brake pad, okay. Okay, it's still the same, you know, like we use the number 17mm in here, you see, caliper to the slider. Okay, unscrew it. There you go. Come out. Just pull the rotor in. I still do the same. It's just my tool here I bought from Snap-on. Very good tool, fresh. It's all set now for this one, and pull the old pads out. Front brake pad a little bit stuck in the front one. The customer should change the rotor, but he said no. He want to save it. Okay, I just follow him, but it's wrong, you know. The rotor like freaking old already, but I still want to keep it, so nothing you can do. You are the boss. Okay, it's perfect. See, smooth out. Okay, then see the slider. Make sure the slider in here has to be in out smoothly. Okay, if the slider stuck, you install with a stuck slider, you get problem too. You step on the brake, the car like it doesn't want to stop or shaking. So pull it. Make sure it slide in, slide out smoothly. Good, it's good. And just put the caliper bit. Yeah, replace the front brake. It's not that hard, okay? It was not that hard for it. As long as the brake caliper not frozen, don't give you a problem, the job should be fast. Okay, it's all set, guys, on a front brake pad. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do on the rear brake pad on this car too. Okay, thank you. Okay, this one is on the rear. Replace the rear brake pad on 2016 Nissan Pathfinder. Yeah, I just finish the front right now. I'm doing on the rear. Okay, the rear gonna be much easier than the front. Okay, let's start it, guys. So we use number 14mm in here. Gonna be fast, man, but better than the front. Yeah, it's almost the same time, you know, when we replace it. Cái video nó sẽ là on mà thon lâu thế. Bông giấy cho con chuẩn bị. Bật lên.
Này chị bật đấy, bật được.
Hi guys, this one is 2016 Nissan Pathfinder rear brake pad replacement. Okay, let's get it started, guys. So we use number 14mm to unscrew the slider. This one is build up the slider bolt and the slider together, join together. See? Just remove it and knock it. We don't need to pull the whole things out, okay? Alright. So just take out the brake pad. Heads out. This one is a caliper tool, okay? Just put it on. Hit, spin it. The tool is an awesome tool. I love it. I got it from Snap-on. See? And we installed the new brake pad on it. So you see the warning sign in here? Is put on the top, okay? This one a little bit hard to get in. Okay, let me grind it. Move the camera on here. This one I cannot put it in, okay? We need to grind a little bit, make it so softly. That's what I did, okay? Because it's too hard to get to put the brake pad to the brake caliper bracket, so you just need to grind a little bit. Okay, then let me try one more time. It's still not fitted, so fit a bit more. I don't want to use the grinder in the building, not good. Just do manual. Let me try one more time. We don't want this one is too hard and too loose, okay? This one is perfect. You see guys, the pad move. It means it's perfect already, don't do anything more. I'm gonna install one more. Let me try it first. This one is too hard. You see it stuck? Not good. Have to pull it out. Do the same thing. Do the same thing. So you see, you grind the side, the top, and the side for both. Let me try one more time, and let's see. This one still stuck it, so it needs to grind a little bit more. Okay, let's try one more time. It's perfect. See it move? Just put this one back. Let me go get us. Let's just put us slider back. Okay, it's perfect. Let me go to the other side, okay? Okay, let's go to the other side. This one on a passenger side. We do the same, okay? Remove the top bolt. Use a plastic hammer. You see? Just spin it out. It's out. So, see the slider in out smoothly. Take this one off. Have the brake, the old brake pads out. So, do the same on the driver side. Okay, so let me install it. Okay, this is how to install it, guys. So just put it. Oh, this one is nice and perfect. See, smooth in, smooth out. Let me install the inner one, inner brake pad. Inner brake pad is too hard to get in, so not good. I have to grind a bit out a little bit more. See, do the same thing. You look at it, okay? Okay, let me try to put it on one more time. This, okay, see it? It's smooth in, smooth out. It's a perfect. And let me do the caliper first. Caliper next. Wait a little bit. And just put in here. That tool, I love it so much, you know. It worked very good for me. Okay, so it's perfect. Let's put it back in. Slider. Ties it. Okay, it's all set. It's all set, guys. One is how to replace the rear brake pad on Nissan. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Any question, just let me know or leave me a comment below. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.